Hello everyone, welcome to InterlinkIQ.com. Let me introduce to you our BRCGS management software. The BRCGS Global Food Safety Standard has set the benchmark for over 20 years. Adopted by over 20,000 sites in 130 countries, this standard is accepted by 70% of the top 10 global retailers, 60% of the top 10 quick service restaurants, and 50% of the top 25 manufacturers. Now, in its ninth edition, this standard has constantly evolved to protect the consumer. It was the first standard to be GFSI benchmarked, as well as introduce food safety culture requirements, define food fraud, and reduce audit burden through additional modules. Developed with input from industry, it provides a framework to manage product safety, integrity, legality and quality, and the operational controls for these criteria in the food and food ingredient manufacturing, processing, and packing industry. So what does our BRCGS management software covers? It covers the InterlinkIQ Connectivity, Management System Dashboard, the Customer and Supplier Management, HR and Training Management. We also have Product and Services Management, Document Sharing, Personnel or Team Collaboration, Coaching and Navigation, and unlimited system usage for customers, suppliers, and employees. Let's first talk about what InterlinkIQ Connectivity is. InterlinkIQ is where process meets industry connectivity developed for you, the owner, entrepreneur, operator, the agent in charge of a facility or process, the practitioner. InterlinkIQ connects technologies and services that enable enterprises and users to interlink their activities and processes to meet their employees, customers, suppliers, regulatory, accreditation, and certification requirements while growing and expanding their professional communities and enterprises worldwide. How about our Management System Dashboard? Let me first discuss what our Management System Dashboard includes. Then later on, I will give you an overview as to how it looks like. So our Management System Dashboard includes reporting, collaboration with personnel with their assigned duty and work, description of standards and requirements. We also have file document tracking from drafting, review and approvals, comments and history tracking, then compliance action items tracking and notification, also annual review for internal audit, templates for ease of conversion, and reference library for ease of compliance during audit. So this is how our dashboard looks like. Under BRC, we have different standard requirements by category. So we have the global standard for food safety, for agents and brokers, for consumer products and general merchandise, the global standard for consumer products and personal care and household, followed by the Ethical Trading and Responsible Sourcing Standard, Packaging Material Global Standard, Gluten-Free Certification Program Global Standard, the Plant-Based Certification, Global Standard for Retail, and the Global Standard for Storage and Distribution. Now let's take a look at the Global Standard for Food Safety. Proceed to Senior Management Commitment, then Senior Management Commitment and Continual Improvement. To navigate the Senior Management Commitment PFL, which stands for Programs, Policies, Procedures, Forms for Records, and Lessons for Training Materials, click 1.1P0. So we have here reporting. Next is the collaboration with personnel with their assigned duty and work. Next to that is the description of standards and requirements, followed by the file document tracking. That's from drafting, review, and approvals. So this is how it looks like. Next to file document is the comments and the history tracking. Next to that, we do have compliance action items tracking and notification, followed by annual review for internal audit, the templates for ease of conversion, and the reference library for ease of compliance during audit. Next to our list is customer management. Our customer management includes the customer's registration and the category tracking. We also have here the contact section, which you can add as many contacts as you like. Then we have the customer requirements tracking with document sharing and templates for ease of conversion. Next to that is the customer products and our services tracking, followed by the audit and review compliance for your approval process. Next to customer management is supplier management. Our supplier management includes the supplier's registration and the category tracking, contacts section for your reference. Then we have requirements tracking with document sharing and templates for ease of conversion. For the document sharing, the requested document will be received by your supplier for them to comply. Now this is how it looks like. Next to requirements tracking is the materials and services tracking, followed by the audit and review compliance for your approval process. We also offer HR and training management, which includes the employee register that manages the employee details and files. So when you click on the view icon, you would see here the employee details starting from their email address all the way down to their employment status, if they're active or inactive employee. Next to employee details is training progress, followed by the employee files if there is. Aside from the employee register, we also have the job descriptions that manages the duties and responsibilities of your employees. It's also in this section where you would see the list of their required trainings. Then we also have the training that manages the training materials and records. And our HR and training management also includes all of your department management compliance needs. Next is the product and services management. Let's take a look at one of the examples. So one of the examples listed here is the Ava Cafe CBD 25 Vanilla. Under our product and services management, it includes the basic details view of the product, starting from the main product view, the top, front, left, bottom, back, and right view, followed by the product code, the name of the product, the category that it falls under, its specifications if there's any. Next is the product description, followed by the ingredient list and the packaging material list. It also includes the allergen declaration if there's any, the product dimensions, storage details. Next is the manufacturing details, the recall exercises, and the document sharing. Next to product and services management is our document sharing management, which incorporates customer required documents to interlink and interconnect with the standards and requirements for ease of compliance. It also includes file tracking, the document date and the document due date tracking and notification, and the review and approval tracking and compliance in real time. Next is coaching and navigation. We know that managing your certification body requirements can be challenging. Our InterlinkIQ team provides coaching and navigation support to ease your transition from paper-based to digital tracking and compliance. InterlinkIQ management software coaching and navigation covers the navigation, setup, template preparation, conversion instruction, and action item designation to meet your certification standards requirements. We also offer unlimited system usage for customers, suppliers, and employees. InterlinkIQ allows all of your employees and key personnel unlimited access to perform their assigned duties while interlinking and interconnecting with their action items and requirements. The benefits are: there's no additional user fee, unlimited access to all applicable systems, secured and controlled access, it's accessible anytime, anywhere with any device, tracks compliance in real time, the document monitoring of program, policies, procedures, forms for records and lessons for training, and compliance connectivity functions to track your compliance action items and your annual review requirements. For more details on your BRCGS requirements, kindly visit their website at brcgs.com. For more information on our services, kindly give us a call at 202 982 3002 or send us an email at services@interlinkiq.com. We look forward to working with you. Thank you for watching.